The main goal of the HBCD study is to learn how the brain typically develops through infancy all the way into early childhood. That's going to be really important from a basic idea so we understand how different things in the child's environment influence how their brain grows and how the child typically develops. But it's also going to be really important down the road for potentially developing therapies and treatments.
I want participants to know how important their participation is. We really wouldn't be able to do the study without them, and their contribution is immensely important to improve lives and health of generation of children to come.
There are multiple visits because we are trying to understand how a child starts growing and developing from an early start point. Early in life, change occurs very rapidly. It's not something that can be determined with just one set point. So having these different visits throughout a different age range really helps capture different components of a child's life.
Families have shared that the reasons they participate in the study is they want a way to give back. They also appreciate learning about their child's development while participating.
We are really willing to accommodate in any way that we can. That ranges from offering times anywhere from 8 a.m. up to midnight to accommodate the family and their needs. A lot of families are working. A lot of them have other children, and we recognize that a new mother, a new father has a lot of other responsibilities, and so we will be as flexible as possible.
So for reminders for the participants to remember the visits, we usually try to quite a couple of different things. We'll have text, phone calls, and email reminders.
What participants have told me that's always stuck with me is thank you. They appreciate how welcoming HBCD is, how much we accommodate their schedules, and how flexible we are with scheduling.
Every person that we get, and more importantly, every person that comes back, is super important for the study. So really the main goal of the study is to understand how the child and how the brain changes. The most important resource for the HBCD study is our participants.
If a family misses a visit, we would tell them that it's okay. I mean, life happens. Everybody has very busy schedules. If a participant happens to miss a visit, but they're able to come to later visits, that data is still very useful because we're still able to capture what factors are affecting child development, which really helps understanding.
We asked them if there's anything we could help with. Maybe it might be a transportation issue. Maybe they don't have childcare for other kiddos. So we try to see what the barrier is. We understand that being a parent of a young child could be challenging, so you're not alone. We're here to support you in any way we can.
Thank you to all of our participants who make HBCD possible. There would be no ability to do the study if they weren't willing to give us their time, their energy.
We're all here to support you in any form and way that we can.
I want participants to know how valuable participation in this study is.
Without you, we couldn't do the HBCD study.